What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So this will be the folding flagship Galaxy Z Fold 5, published high quality renders from a reliable source. The diagonal of the screens will be the same as in the current Galaxy Z Fold 4 foldable smartphone. Here is the entire specs list of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 smartphone. Please must watch the video till the end. Steve Hammerstoffer, known on Twitter under the nickname @LIKE, has published high-quality renderings of the promising foldable flagship Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. It will premiere on July or August, a part of the big Unpacked event. But you can check out the design now in this video. However, there will be nothing particularly new in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The smartphone is hardly distinguishable from its predecessor. Even the screens will not change. The diagonal of the outer will be 6.2 inches and the inner 7.6 inches. Whistleblower Ice Universe has already harshly criticized Samsung for being lovelily conservative with its Galaxy Z Fold 5 outdoor screen specs. Here is the screen specs list of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. The new arrives from the tipster The Galox, who shared the latest information on his Twitter profile page. Looking at the tweet, the leak shared that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will support a tall 7.6 AMOLED display for its primary display and a 6.2 inches AMOLED external screen as well. Both panels will feature a 120Hz refresh rate. These screens will also be brighter than the previous generation model. Notably, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will even house an under-display selfie camera. Under the hood, the flagship premium-grade foldable phone will be equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC that will apparently be paired with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and either 256GB, 512GB or 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It will feature a triple camera setup as well, consisting of a 50MP, 12MP and a 10MP sensor. The primary camera will reportedly support up to 8K recording at 30 FPS. Talking about certain design improvements, it will arrive with a new hinge mechanism for a less noticeable crease and a smaller gap when closed, a thinner and lighter model, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and IPX8 water resistance. Other notable features include improved vibration motors, S Pen support, improved speakers, and Android 13 operating system based on One UI 5.1.1. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.